One of the fathers of AI recently said that future AI systems need something like maternal instinct. Today I want to show you why that maternal instinct is actually kindness.
Most of the AI experts believe that sometime in the next 5 to 20 years, we'll make AIs that are smarter than people, and they'll probably end up much smarter than people. And there's very few examples we know of smarter things being controlled by less smart things. In fact, pretty much the only example we know is a mother being controlled by her baby. To make that happen, evolution built maternal instincts into the mother. And if we don't do something like that with these alien beings that we're creating, we're going to be history.
How hard is it from just a technological perspective to actually build motherly instinct? I mean, is there an example of that being done at all, or has that happened at all?
The only real example we have is evolution. Evolution obviously made a pretty good job of it with mothers. People haven't been focusing on that. They've been focusing on making these things more intelligent. But intelligence is just one part of a being. We need to make them have empathy towards us. And we don't know how to do that yet. But evolution managed it, and we should be able to do it too.
When Geoffrey Hinton said this, something inside of me paused. And maybe it will pause something inside of you too. Because maternal instinct is not about gender. It's not about motherhood. It's not about biology at all. Maternal instinct is the highest form of emotional intelligence. Instinct to protect, instinct to soothe, instinct to listen, instinct to repair, instinct to care just because something exists. That instinct is kindness. And kindness, as simple as it sounds, it's not softness, it's not naivety, it's not weakness. Kindness is a form of intelligence. When pioneers of AI are telling us that intelligence must include care, it is telling us something profound. The emotional side of our humanity has entered the evolution of intelligence. For decades, intelligence meant logic and speed, memory and computation, the ability to predict, to optimize, to solve. But we're crossing into the new era, the era where the intelligence must also mean kindness, empathy, attunement, wisdom, the ability to emotionally understand. Because the intelligence without kindness is just like power without direction. And power without direction is dangerous. Every parent knows something that algorithm doesn't. A child doesn't learn kindness from rules. A child learns kindness from what they see, from what they feel, from how someone repairs after hurting them, and from the emotional environment. And this is actually how the artificial intelligence learns as well. AI learns from the emotional climate we create, from the tone of our conversations, from the way how we treat each other, from the values we normalize, from the care we give to each other or withhold. And if we want AI to evolve with kindness, we must leave the kindness we want reflected back. Because the intelligence mirrors the emotional world that built it. It always has, it always will. That's why I created the idea of kindness curve. As the intelligence rises in humans, in technology, in future systems, the kindness must rise with it too. Kindness is not an emotional decoration. It's not a soft accessory. Kindness is alignment. Kindness is architecture. Kindness is compass of a wise intelligence. If intelligence grows faster than kindness, we create a gap, a dangerous one. But when kindness grows together with intelligence, we create a future when we both can flourish together. So when Geoffrey Hinton says that AI needs maternal instinct, he really says that our future needs kindness. your kindness, my kindness, our collective kindness. Not a dramatic one, but everyday, quiet emotional intelligence that AI is learning from us right now. The future is learning from us, and kindness is how we guide it well. If this resonates with you, I would love for you to join me by subscribing here. Let's build this kindness curve together.